Hello everyone, welcome back to the Multifix channel. Is your Epson L3252 printer showing service required, ink pad full, or red light blinking, and refusing to print? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix this problem in just a few minutes, using the WIC Reset Tool. Let's start. Why this problem happens? This problem happens because the waste ink pad counter reaches its limit. Replacing ink pads is costly, and sometimes not easily available. But today, we'll fix this without changing the ink pad. Step 1. Download WIC Reset Tool. First, go to Google and search for Inkchip WIC Reset. Open the first website. Now click on WIC Reset Utility and download the software for your system. Step 2. By activation key. After downloading, go back to the website and click on By Activation Key. Here you'll see different packages. Before checkout, enter the coupon code Multifix10 to get 10% discount. Complete the checkout process. After that, you will receive a reset key by email. Step 3. Prepare the printer. Now turn on your Epson L3252 printer. Make sure printer driver is installed. USB cable or Wi-Fi connection is working properly. If the driver is not installed, I'll put the driver link in the description box. Step 4. Reset waste ink counter. Now open the WIC Reset Tool. Select your printer model, Epson L3252. First, click on Read Waste Ink Counter to check the percentage. Now click on Reset Waste Ink Counter. Paste the activation key you received by email and click OK. Step 5. Restart printer. Now turn off the printer. Wait a few seconds. Turn it on again. The red blinking light is gone, and the printer is ready to print. Congratulations! Your Epson L3252 is fixed successfully. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Multifix. And don't forget to use coupon code Multifix10 to get 10% discount on the WIC Reset key. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.